walk in, yes. Is that the only one? Okay, let me just get some more.
And can we get the CEO of JA Entertainment, Meenakshi Das, also on stage?
Just give them all the mics. This is another very proud moment. I've known her for such a long time. So proud of you, Meenakshi. Big round of applause for her as well. Well, sir, we'll start with you. This is action-packed, power-packed. You've been seeing it a million times in your edit studio. जब लोगों के साथ देखते हो और जो सीटियां सही वक्त पर चलने लग जाती है, how are you feeling looking at it?
अरे सब लोग तो मेरे ही है यार सारे मतलब the main thing is 15th
Attendance तो full है.
15th August को जब that's when we'll go out to the theaters and cinema halls, and then hopefully the मतलब we'll not be able to hear the dialogues,
But
which
they're
are very very good by the way.
absolutely. But ये, you know, this combination between you and John sir is always fantastic. And like I say, you know, कई बार believable नहीं लगता है कुछ चीजें जब हम बड़े पर्दे पर देखते हैं. आप दोनों की जो केमिस्ट्री है फॉर एक्शन इतना बिलीवेबल लगता है. So the first time, कई बार हो चुका है. We've seen it on big screen also. What is this magic and how does this always happen?
Because I think when John hits something, it looks as if it's going to break, right? So I mean, you know, Salim Saab told us that told me one day, Salim Saab said that they created Amitabh Bachchan, right? Salim and Javed, they created Amitabh Bachchan, and nowadays आजकल के जो हीरो है, जब वो लोग गन पकड़ते हैं उनको आप कहना चाहते हैं बेटा रख दो चल जाएगी, right? With John, it looks as if it's a part of his hand, right? And so it's like, I mean, it's very the important thing is how do we keep challenging him? How do you make it more difficult for him? How do we keep making it more and more difficult for him to do something which is like, you know, which is not done before? So yeah.
You know, but John, you're just way beyond just the physicality of it. मुझे याद है कि हम लोग कई बार इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं. अब बॉडी है तो है, but you've gone way beyond that in the last many years. और बॉक्स ऑफिस पर चाहे सत्यमेव जयते हो, चाहे बाटला हाउस हो, वो भी चल जाती. You've learned how to use this beautiful physicality, and it doesn't overpower the screen with that. वो है अब bicep है तो है, लेकिन पावर पैक भी बहुत परफॉर्मेंस हो जाती है. Is there also that special understanding between निखिल जब आप फिल्में बनाती हो उनके साथ भी? You know how not to showcase. अभी सिक्स पैक नहीं दिखाना है, वो जमाना जा चुका है. आप सब कुछ दिखा चुके हो. So the next part of it, moving forward, which is true.
सब कुछ दिखा दिया है.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
But moving forward also, this now looks so real. We love watching it. तभी सीटियां actually निकल जाती. So is there that special understanding also when you're making action cinema with him?
Yeah, I think first of all, thank you for having us here, and thank you for coming here. I've come on stage I think after 2 or 3 years, so I'm a little awkward and I'm a little rough on the edges. So yeah, with Nikhil, it's he just has to walk up to me and he's about to give me a brief, and I say, yeah, that's what you want. Yeah, okay. So it's a mental connection that two of us have, and I always say this, and I don't know whether I'm politically correct in saying this. कि आप फिल्म को जितना भी मार्केट करो कुछ फायदा नहीं अगर फिल्म खराब है. You can market it till the cows come home. I think Veda's a damn good film, and I'm saying this on record. It's a very good film.